Today I'll be showing you how to convert these waste pineapple leaves into a wall decor. So to make the wall decor, first you have to separate the leaves. I have separated the leaves here. Next you have to cut out the leaves into small pieces like this, and I'm planning to make flowers with this leaves. Next you need small cardboard cut out like this. I have taken the cardboard of a notebook, so it won't be too thick nor too thin. And I'm going to stick these leaves with the help of a hot glue gun. After applying glue, you can slowly place the leaves on the cardboard piece. Now the same way you can stick the remaining petals. So here I have sticked the first layer of petals. Moving on to the second layer of petals, you have to stick the petal in between the two petals which you have sticked earlier. So the same process you can repeat. So here I have almost done making a flower. I have made two big flowers and one small flower. So after making the flowers, just check whether the cardboards are visible through the sides. If the cardboards are visible, you can cut the cardboard with the help of scissors. But when you are cutting the cardboard, you have to be very careful. After cutting the cardboard, you can apply some more hot glue through the sides. This is done to make the petals stand firmly. Next you need few more pineapple leaves to make the leaf for the wall decor. So you have to take a scissor and just shape the edges. So you can cut the leaf as I have done. Again you need a cardboard cutout like this. I have taken a thick cardboard here. Now I am going to cover this with the help of a masking tape. Next I am painting this cardboard piece with black acrylic paint. For painting the flowers, first I am giving white as the base coat. For the leaves also you have to do the same thing. That is, first you have to apply the base coat as white. Now we have to wait for this paint to get dried. Next you need a small piece of black chart paper like this. If you don't have chart paper, you can use A4 size color papers too. And with the help of scissors, you can cut the paper as I have shown in the video. After cutting the paper, you have to roll the paper with your hands as I am doing in the video. After rolling the paper, you can stick the edges of the paper with a gum. So here you can see that I have painted the flowers with yellow acrylic paint. Unfortunately, I was not able to record the video. Sorry for that. Once your base coat is dried, that is the white paint is dried, you can directly apply yellow acrylic paint. To stick the center part of the flower, first apply gum on the center of the flower and then slowly place the paper which you have rolled and kept before. So here I have used 3 shades of green to paint the leaves. First I have used leaf green. Next I have used light green. And the third one is sap green. If you have any doubt in the shades of paint which I have used, please do check the description box. I have provided the details in the description box. Next step is to stick the flowers and leaves on the cardboard. So before sticking, I am just arranging the leaves and flowers on the cardboard. After arranging the flowers, you can stick them with the help of hot glue. Now I have sticked all the flowers and leaves on the cardboard and see how beautiful it looks. You can use a nail to hang this wall decor, or you can place two-side tape on the back side of the cardboard and easily fix the wall decor on the wall. At last you can apply a coat of varnish. Dear friends, if you are trying out my craft projects, please do take a photo and send me the photo in the following email address. I will be so happy to showcase your talents through my channel.